I know I usually do an intro, but Bulletproof Garage, it's Saturday, and this is my friend Levi, who I've known for like 25 years. This is his new hot rod. So Levi, tell us a little bit about your hot rod.
Well, what I know about it, it's a 1928 Ford Model A. It's got a small block 350 Chevy in it. It's got some motor work done, not totally sure exactly what it is, but I think it's bored over 60 from what I was told with a cam in it. Ford 9-inch rear end. Yeah, I mean,
And your dad's a hot rod guy.
oh yeah, big.
Yeah. And what's the coolest thing your dad's ever owned car-wise?
Coolest thing Dad ever owned, either his, I don't know, his 57 Chevy was sweet, but I wish I could have been around for his Javelin. He had a sweet Javelin.
And then what about your boy? How old's your boy?
He's 5.
And what's he think about this?
Oh man, he thinks he's the coolest thing since sliced bread.
Any big plans for it?
We talked about it, but I'd like to put a sliding, rag top down.
It could use a sliding rag. It's a little warm in there.
It's a tad bit warm.
Yeah, and it's not even that hot out today, but
And
it's
I gotta finish the tunnel out too.
I think the work looks great on it. The work looks really good on it. Yeah, it's absolutely amazing how good the work looks on it. I like the breakaway steering wheel too. Those are really nice, and the bomber seats. Yeah, it's
I don't
impressive.
think my belly'd get out if I didn't have it.
I've got them on a couple of my cars. They're pretty convenient.
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay, well there it is. There's Levi Jennings. It's a 1928, and he's got a 1928 license plate on the back, and that is his 1928 Ford. And so if you see him out and about, tell him hi. And he's got a new Bulletproof Garage t-shirt for stopping by. And there it is, Bulletproof Garage.